But if you're familiar with storms, you know that northeast quadrant is always a bad spot to be, especially that northern semicircle. So you are basically going to be on the dirty side of the storm, whether it's going to get close to you or not. You're still going to get some effects. So let's get back to Bryan Norcross. He'll tell you more about that, Bryan.
Yeah, exactly what Bob said. Does this look familiar? This looks a lot like the placement of the Lala cone. The big difference here is the environment around it is not as conducive as it was with Lala. So here's the thinking of the Hurricane Center, that the wind speed peaks before it gets to the island and then actually weakens as it goes by the island. That's the current thinking, and I'll show you why that is in just a second. But still, anywhere that the system goes through here, as Bob said, the circulation is like this. That's where the moisture is going. All right, let's go on here and take a look. Here's the environment around it now. And look at this out here. This is the browns and all these kind of grays. That's dryish air. And you can make out what's happening here. Look, this thing is kind of coming into dry air, is coming in like this. So this thing is going to be plowing toward it. And unless it gets strong, unless it can really pull itself together and push back on that, this is going to be, you have to deal with this here throughout its life, and that's the thinking, that in this case, it is going to deal with that. Lala was able to develop enough to push back on it, ended up being an 80-mile-an-hour hurricane. That's not the thinking here, but it's not impossible. All right, here's the moisture in the model. So that kind of croissant-shaped moisture there you see. The dry air comes around here. Notice it's light green on the back side. That means there's a lot of dry air mixed with a little bit of moisture, and then just super dry air up ahead here. So here we are today. Now let's go forward in time up until Saturday late in the day, and you see the moisture just arriving there at the Big Island, and it's a very similar thing to what we had with Lala. Here comes the storm this way, and then this moisture feed comes up and slam into those big mountains, and so big rains ensue. The thinking is 15 inches of rain is possible in some areas on the Big Island, and they haven't even begun to recover in some places. It's really horrible. But now here it comes again, and exactly where the band sets up. In Lala, we had two bands, one against the southern part of the island and one in the north. The southern one was the just out of this world one. So we'll see. This one is going to be moving along more quickly. Probably not as much rain, but still just torrential rain with this kind of setup of tropical air coming this way. And the same thing up on Maui. You're going to get on that windward side excess moisture. So here we are in the morning hours of Sunday. This is actually talking about, 8 a.m.-ish in the morning, just to give you a rough idea. And then we get to Sunday evening, and look, all of the Hawaiian Islands, except for maybe Kauai, are getting this moisture feed. Some of it may be mixed with dry air, but this is moving on, but still on the Big Island. There's still rain there. Here we are Monday afternoon, and it's still moisture. The moisture feed is still there, even though there's a lot of dry air wrapping in, so the system is not going to be as strong. So if a weaker system goes by, it doesn't push so hard the moisture against the mountain, and you don't get as much rain. So that's the fact, but still, moisture, mountain, tropical storm are all bad. How confident are we in this? Look at the models. Well, the way you look at these, you say, okay, where is the consensus of those? And you can see it's a pretty tight consensus south of the island. So we have high confidence that this is going to go indeed south of the island. And then they get a little more diverse here because it gets weaker. The weaker they get, the more scattered the models get. But anyway, it's all confirmation of what the Hurricane Center is indeed forecasting. There's the consensus of the regular models, the old ones. Here is the Google model. Again, high consensus. All of the Google possibilities stay south of the island, but they all put moisture up into the Hawaiian Islands once again, beginning late on Saturday. None of them produce a big strong storm. The consensus is a tropical storm. But as we saw with Lala, finds a little pocket, it peaks up to a Category 1 hurricane. We'll be ready for that just in case. Elsewhere in the Pacific, the systems by Mexico are not an issue, and there goes Lala up into the open Pacific. All right, Bob. Unfortunately, just insult to injury. I mean, it's and beyond injury on the Big Island.
Yeah.
The poor people there that are trying to deal with what they just went through last week.
Yeah, it's hard to imagine. Hawaii's been in the story now for the entire year. I mean, it's been amazing. Bryan, thank you so much, Bryan. I appreciate your forecast expertise. Bryan Norcross, our hurricane specialist.